Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to talk about synchronization of ArrayList in Java. ArrayList is not synchronized collection and should not be used in the concurrent environment without explicit synchronization. To synchronize an ArrayList, we can use two JDK provided methods. There are two ways to create synchronization ArrayList. One is collection.synchronizesList method. Another one is CopyOnWriteArrayList class. Collections.synchronizesList method that returns a synchronized list backed by the specified list. CopyOnWriteArrayList class that is a thread safe variant of the ArrayList. I created one class. The class name is synchronized ArrayList. Inside the main method, I am going to create list of type string. Variable name is names list equal to collections dot synchronize list method. Inside the synchronize list method, I am going to create object to the array list of type string. Now import the list from java.util package and also import the array list from java.util. Now I am going to add some elements to the list object. Names list dot add java names list dot add python names list dot add C names list dot add Ruby. These are my elements. Here to add remove we don't need to explicit synchronization. To fetch and traverse the element from the list, we have to use the explicit synchronization. Now I am going to fetching the data. Now I am going to use synchronize block. Inside the synchronize block, we are going to pass the list object. Inside the synchronization block, I am using iterator of type string it equal to names list dot iterator object. Now I am using while loop to iterate the elements. It dot has next. Inside the while loop, system dot out dot println it dot next method. Now save it and run the Java program. Now we are getting the output Java, Python, C, Ruby. We have to remember these 2 points. For adding and removing, we do not need to explicit synchronization. To fetch or traverse the values from the list, we have to use the explicit synchronization. For that we are using synchronized block. This is the first approach. Approach 1, using collections.synchronizesList. Now we are going to use second approach. Second approach is CopyOnWriteArrayList. It is a class. Now clear the console. Now I am going to create object to the CopyOnWriteArrayList of type string. The variable name is emp list equal to new copy on write array list of type string. Now I am going to add some elements to the employee list. Emp list dot add, my first element is J. Emp list dot add John. Emp list dot add Raju. These are my elements. Now here we don't need any explicit synchronization to the copy on write array list. We don't need any explicit synchronization for any operation. Operation like add, remove, or traverse. Now I am going to traverse the element. For that I am using iterator of type string, it equal to emp list dot iterator method. Now I am using while loop it dot as next method. Inside the while loop, system.out.println it dot next method. Now save it and run the Java program. Now we are getting the values J, John, Raju. In this way we are going to synchronize the array list. First way is collection.synchronizesList. Second way is copy on write array list. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you really like this video, please like and comment and share, then subscribe.